morning, guys. We are back at ECR. We're here for another track day this weekend. Unfortunately, weather isn't really upholding right now. We got some rain, it's pretty wet. We're on a 30-minute lightning delay right now, but we got the car up here. We're all prepped. We are on the 295 AO52s. We're gonna test these out this weekend. Who knows how good they'll be in the rain. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty dry, so tomorrow should be a good day. Like I said, we got the new splitter on. This is the GTS. We only got the top on. I'm still working on a way to figure out how I can get a quick disconnect for the lower section. Plus, it doesn't make it in or out of my driveway with the lower section on. So, like, this setup is good for now. But we got the car all set. We're gonna be going out, doing some wet laps. Mainly just, you know, kind of practicing some car control, whatnot. Should be good to go from there. Other than the wheels and the front lip, nothing's really changed on the car. I did redo the alignment just when I had to raise the front a little bit. Otherwise, the car's still pretty much stock. Still on just a stage 1 tune. I actually might flash back to a stock tune for this weekend, just to see if I don't have any cooling issues. A little bit of power loss with heat soak. But other than that, we should be good. Car's looking pretty cool. Car looks good. But we should have a fun weekend if this rain can stop. So we just got a few bands moving in through today. Tomorrow should be a lot better. But let's get to it. M3's all loaded back up. We finished this weekend. Didn't get a chance to film a whole bunch. Day one, Saturday, it rained and rained and rained. I'm sure as you saw on some of the laps, it basically didn't stop raining. Car did pretty well. Today was a little bit better. We had some wet sessions in the morning, and then after lunch it kind of dried up. We got a full dry track, and we actually set some hot laps. So if you guys remember, the last time we were here, a little over a month ago, we set a 2:12.0, so that was my best time. And today we were actually able to bump that down with the help of some instruction and some coaching. I bumped that down to a 2:10.7. So I know the car has a lot more in it. I kept pushing, was doing good, and eventually we got a drivetrain malfunction and we blew the charge pipe. It is stage 1. I'm pretty sure that's the reason. Like I said, it's all stock engine, but we blew it's actually the J pipe, not the charge pipe, but it's the J pipe connecting the charge air cooler all the way down to the intake manifold. Common problem, not really too big of a deal. Glad it wasn't anything more serious, but it burst underneath boost. Unfortunately, that kind of ended our day. Luckily, it was on the last session, so no need to push any further. But car did flawlessly. Like I said, we didn't really get that many good laps because we were kind of, just pushing in the rain a little bit. But rain practice is always good, just to help with help with some car control and getting comfortable with sliding and whatnot. So car felt good. We're on these new AO52s, the 295 squared. These did, I think these did really well today. I had tons and tons of front grip. I didn't really get too much time to play around with them. The only changes I made to the suspension were I dropped the rebound in the front 2 clicks just to get a little bit more rotation, and it felt really, really good. Our tires are looking good. We still got plenty of life in these. We have more sets at home. New wheels, perfect, no issues, no rubbing. We're running a pretty aggressive fitment right here, and car's looking perfect. So no real issues, but we're all loaded back up, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching some of the videos, some of the on-track stuff. Had some fun in the rain, but we're gonna go ahead and head back to the hotel, get some of our stuff, and then we've got about a 5.5 hour drive back to Houston, and take the car off, put it back in the garage, put up the tools, and head back to work tomorrow. So overall, super good weekend. Super happy. Another weekend back here at ECR. Love this facility. Had a great time. Came out with a great group of people. We ran this with Cencal Motorsports this week, and couldn't really be happier with how the car did. Time to head back. Nice little drive, and we'll see you when we get there.